these two flying on in. We are wind encounters. We're only here for a few moments, so if you have the time, fill in all the space. Come on in nice and close, come in all the way up to the rocks here, and get those cameras out and ready because you can get some really cool photo and video opportunities just like that. I'm on a team of avian trainers and conservationists. We have Caitlin, Kingdon, Grace, and Cecilia. And of course, these two beautiful, very loud birds. These guys are called green-winged macaws. Oh my gosh, I didn't put my stick in the right place. We were already showing it off. 1 second, we'll hold on to that thought. This is Raj and Bernadette, and her green-winged macaws. Very cool. We're going to do a little bit of training, so you'll see we're handing out a whole bunch of treats. When they fly up there to those perches, they're going to get a banana chip, one of their favorite food items. They get a variety of different things as well. Yeah, and that's called positive reinforcement. Has anybody heard that term before? Yeah, right? It works on spouses, children, and coworkers. As well as dogs and cats. And these macaws, of course, you simply reinforce behaviors that you want to see, and you ignore any behaviors that you don't want to see, and it's as simple as that. Very cool. Now, we're going to get all those things that they're on those perches. And like I said, when she comes back to it, she makes more. That's how we communicate with our birds. That's who we communicate with. I hear you. You heard those loud voices, right? Yeah, it's incredibly loud. And that's how they communicate over long distances. Whether when you're out in the rainforest, the trees are really dense. So that loud voice pierces through all those trees, and they can communicate to their flock mates. They have a large vocabulary of different noises, and there's actually cool research going on. Some people have them as pets at home. Extremely challenging because that loud voice, right? They scream at sun up and at sundown and on your day off. And also, this is what I wanted to show earlier that Raj was trying to kind of give you a sneak peek preview to. Imagine this in your home. So, this is a leg on your table or on your chair, maybe you're on your iPad. Look how easy it is, right? Go ahead and bring off all those pieces. Are you going to join Bernadette? It's going to be a group effort today. And that is a natural behavior again. Out in the wild, they use this strong beak ability. You want to try? To break into tree cavities to build a nest. But again, in your home, it's incredibly challenging. They also can live 60 to 80 years. So, many reasons why we enjoy them at places like Disney, Animal Kingdom, and leave your home parrot-free. I saw one of you join. Welcome to Wind Encounters. Fill in all this space right here. The best part is just around the corner. I don't want you to miss it, so get those cameras up and ready. But unfortunately, due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, macaws just like these two, and also the blue-throated macaw, other species are facing extinction. Specifically the blue-throated macaw, that species we work with, is listed as critically endangered. There's only 300 of them remaining in the world, in the wild, I should say, of Libya. Yeah, 300, that's it. Very small number, right? But it is not all that new. We are partnered with an amazing organization. It's called the World Parrot Trust, and they're working to breed individuals, and those individuals will then be released. And then those individuals will hopefully breed up into a wild population, have babies of their own, and then one day soon, we will be able to say that there is a sky full of macaws back in Bolivia. Wouldn't that be amazing? Right? A sky full of macaws? Do you want to see that here today? Okay, well, give us a little something just like this. That we are hoping to protect. We also have scarlet macaws up there with Caitlin. They have the yellow on their wings as well as the blue and gold macaw. Now each and every individual is unique. They all have their own likes and dislikes, and we can tell each and every single one of them just by looking at them. So Bernadette here, I'll give you a little sneak peek, has these dark lines of black on the top of her beak. That makes her very different than Raj or Bernadette and all the rest of these birds flying on in. We can sometimes identify them just as they're sitting in a tree. But I'll let you know a secret too. These birds can fly wherever they want to. We asked them to sit here, but they can go as far as Magic Kingdom, even further if they want to. But some people are about to head off on their next adventure though, so get those cameras up and ready, because these guys are going to take flight. Hopefully you have those other flags that are flying around. You might see them the rest of today. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Winged Encounters. I hope you have a great rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. If you have any questions coming up, take your photo. Otherwise, have a great day.
Thank you for joining us for Winged Encounters. Remember, together we can help ensure amazing sights like these remain in wild places for many generations to come. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Okay, let's try our next area here. Now check out this archway here. And let's see what we can find in here. Oh, it looks like some birds. What do we have out here?
Just some of our geese right now at the moment.
Oh, some
a lot of
geese.
these guys will start going inside or here in the water buffalo. We're gonna have 18 Georges coming down the hill.
And here comes the geese.
Single file line.
18 geese coming down the hill here. Getting a drink of water in this nice cleaned, I guess, pond here.
We're in a single file line following the banners.
And a single file line coming down.
Take notes, Liam. Take notes. See how they're following along in the line? You could learn to do that too.
They're like, we don't see water buffalo, so I think we're comfortable.
Okay, let's go forward here and see what else we can find. Alright, let's make our way in here and try another attraction here. It's called Avator-Flight of Passage. Say it's a 65-minute wait, but we shall see. A lot of nice rock formation here. We'll go around the queue here. Okay, we're slowly making it inside here. We've got this big rock formation here.
welcome back. Please step off the link chair, gather your belongings.
Okay, I'm going to wrap things up here in Animal Kingdom. And hey, check that out up there. Like a wild boar. Okay, as I said, I'm going to wrap this this little adventure up here in Animal Kingdom. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. I certainly enjoyed making it. And until next time, I will see you on the next adventure. Bye now.